Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I'm going to show you how you can portion your protein and freeze it portion. That way, when you take out each meal, you decide how many people can eat and you'll have no waste. First thing we're going to do is we're going to buy our protein as small as we can. If we're going to buy a chicken breast, we can buy the breasts without a bone. You can also buy them with a bone, but with a bone, they're a little bit bigger to store. And then we season them and we put them in containers that are easy to store. And the ones that are closer to the size of the food you're going to prepare or store, for example, if you're 4 or 5, you're going to have a larger container than if you're 1 or 2. Then you buy those containers and try to organize them really neatly in your freezer. Also, you can leave in your refrigerator the foods that you're going to have for the next 3 days. So you don't have to freeze everything. Some of your portioned food can be kept in the refrigerator for you to use today, tomorrow, or the next day. So come, learn how to season in my other video and portion kebabs and chicken fingers and chicken breast, chicken tenders, and see how I portion and divide all my foods, beef, pork, shrimp, salmon, and many other foods. When you portion your food and you make them flat, it is so much easier to defrost them. They take almost no time to defrost if you forget. Let's say you come home and you've got your burgers completely frozen. Well, those you can put on your grill and you can cook them frozen. But in case you don't want to, you can put them in a zipper bag underwater, and in 10 minutes they'll be completely defrosted. You don't have to use a microwave that sometimes cooks the food as it defrosts it. So if you have a lot of people at home, try to freeze all your food in containers that are bigger and not taller, that are wider, so you can defrost them fast and easy, and everybody can have a meal even when you least expect it. I hope you enjoy delicious food all the time. Once you portion it, seasoned, and freeze it, you're always going to have delicious food at hand, at home for everyone. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.